Holy cow, Savannah.
Don't touch me!
Are you playing Demolition Derby game?
Good morning, guys. It is the day after Christmas. Christmas is over, but we're still happy. We just woke up like an hour ago, 2 hours ago maybe. So I'm getting everybody breakfast. Az wants cereal, Canyon wants cottage cheese, and Lizzie wants cereal. And I don't know what I want.
Now you have 3 bags, huh?
We woke up this morning, brought down all our toys from yesterday, and we started playing. I pretended that my Barbies went to school. My doll Cora and my doll Jackson went to ballet, and then we also used our mermaid ones. We're now on a camping trip inside of a cave. So that's what we're playing.
Who would have known that a hammock stand would be so amazing?
It is amazing. Look, I can get my work done. Just hang out, and guess what? If I wanted to go to sleep, I just like lean back a little bit more. Go to sleep. Oh, can you hear it? Look around. That's a fun one, huh? Come here.
Was that a good one?
Oh, what happened? Whoa, it's like a whole different world. It's like you forget about what's going on in here at all.
Hey, Mommy, guess what I learned about how to do in my room?
What? Okay.
That one and this one. Whoa, look at Savannah.
That is awesome. Whoa!
In my room, I totally did it. Watch
You
it.
almost stood back up. Okay, let's try it again. Holy cow, Savannah. That looks painful. Woohoo! You did it! Hey, is your room done? Did you vacuum?
No.
You better get the vacuum and vacuum.
Oh.
Hurry, come on. What are you doing?
Oh, I got the tractor. You go to see that?
Don't do that.
Are you playing Demolition Derby game?
Hey, keep your hands in there, else they're not gonna work.
Don't.
Keep your hands in there. Look.
Allie, Despicable Me 3.
What?
Don't touch me! So I just sent some texts to my friends, just telling them that how I love them and how I care about them and how they help me and that they are worth it. And I just want to see how they react to that. We haven't closed out the vlog in a while, Charlie. He looks so good in his fancy new collar I gave him for Christmas. And Poor's got a fancy red collar. Yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. And I'm gonna go to bed, but first I'm going to let you know that if you're not feeling super happy about yourself, or maybe, ow, Charlie's, maybe your dog chews on your arm and it hurts. If you're not feeling happy, or you know your friend's not feeling happy, send them a text. It actually makes your day better. It made my day better to send those texts to my friends and see their responses. And just remember that you are worth it no matter what. Bye, guys. Charlie, say bye. Look up here. Say bye.